Hi, I'm Lori Beckman with Production Machining. I had the opportunity to visit BBInfinite, maker of a very unique bottom bracket for bicycles. While I was there, I spoke with Wes Wolfenbarger, CEO, and he explained to me how the company uses Verisurf mapping software with its Renishaw Equator. Take a look.
We have two systems here. We have the Verisurf software, and we have it running the Renishaw Equator. What the Verisurf software does is it allows me a graphical user interface to program the Renishaw, but it also has in the background an error map that is running. And the error map basically can calculate or adjust for the miscalculations in the encoder arms as this probe moves through the volume. So what it does is it delivers to me a really nice user-friendly user interface, and it gives me really high accurate results.